Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q7 Black Edition 55 TFSI Quattro Tiptronic. This particular model was finished in the stunning Mythos black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the Black Edition, you get multiple elements of gloss black styling, including the window surrounds, side skirts and roof rails. You also get the chrome badges on the front and rear. Under the bonnet is a 3-litre V6 petrol producing 335 brake horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 21-inch Audi Sport 10-spoke star style alloy wheels finish in gloss black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork. With the electrically operated tailgate open, you have plenty of boot space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. This vehicle is also fitted with the 7-seater function with the electrically operated dual rear seats in the boot itself. The interior is finished in full leather for maximum luxury and comfort, with centre armrests and dual cup holders and twin rear air conditioning controls for those rear passengers. All three of the centre rear seats are fitted with Isofix points, so you can safely and securely travel up to 3 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat bottom S-line multifunction steering wheel, Audi virtual cockpit and central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top and are fully electrically adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support. Finding your perfect driving position has never been easier, and the driver's seat has 2 levels of memory function available for if you have multiple drivers. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your taste using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right your volume and voice controls such as mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle with multiple drive modes available to you, and the adaptive air suspension will raise and lower itself. And this vehicle is also fitted with the Park Assist, which gives you front and rear sensors and rear view camera to make parking even tight supermarket car parks even easier. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for watching this short video on the approved used Audi Q7 Black Edition 55 TFSI Quattro Tiptronic in Mythos Black Metallic, available now at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our sales team or simply come on down to the showroom and take a look for yourself.